Okay, so I was originally planning on doing a video of replacing the compressor on the Imperial, but I had noticed that the lines appear to be leaking here. I noticed that there's heavy oil underneath this line here, especially at this connection. So for a temporary fix, what I'm going to attempt to do is remove these crimped on aluminum end caps that are on here. This is the only line I can see that's leaking. So I've already removed this one here, and what I did was I just cut it with a cutoff wheel on a Dremel and carefully pried it away. Well, carefully as in trying not to damage the hose. And I've got this side off, and this side here I'm going to have to remove the line from the compressor because it's right under the radiator hose. I can't get the Dremel in there. And then I'm just going to attempt to replace it with two standard screw type hose clamps, and we'll see if that works. It should be, since it's on the low side, it's not a real high pressure, but if it doesn't hold, we'll find out. Okay, and here we can see where I've cut the clamp, and all I'm going to do is simply take a screwdriver here and, well, okay, not that side of the screwdriver, but you get the idea, to snap the little piece that's right in this corner that I can't get to, and then just pry it away with a pair of pliers. Now there's a little bit of damage to the hose, if you can see on this side here, but it shouldn't be an issue, I hope. Okay, so there we go. Clamps are installed. Now just pull a vacuum on it and do a pressure test, then pull a vacuum and see how it works. Okay, so the pressure test was successful. I brought the entire system up to about 150 psi, which should be more than plenty for low side testing. So we're now have it hooked up to a vacuum pump, and we're pulling a vacuum. You can see about 25 inches of mercury vacuum here, and we've got both sides of the gauge set open, so we're pulling equally instead of just pulling everything through the low side. So we're going to let this run for maybe about 45 minutes to an hour and check to see if we're holding a vacuum, and if we are, then we're going to give it a